So today, if you haven't taken a moment to read the announcements that I posted online, do so. I'll quickly go over that. This week we have this week and next week, and the report card is closing. So next Thursday, there's school on Friday. It's Good Friday. Um, we are going to kind of do things a little bit differently and backwards than I normally do. So the first thing is that your test is going to be next Monday and Tuesday. But Monday's a B day and Tuesday's an A day. So what I'm going to do, since you guys almost always take it first, I'm going to switch it up and let the B day people take it first, and you guys take it second. You have the extra day. Okay, so that's where we're going to switch it up. B day takes it on Monday. A day, which is you guys, will take it on Tuesday. Next, uh, Ethan asked me about the quiz, how the quiz grades were. Well, I would love to tell you how the quiz grades were, but only 60 people have taken it so far. 60 out of 150 something students. So if you haven't taken your quiz, which was due the virtual day before spring break, you need to go do that today. It's going to lock at midnight tonight, and after that, it'll stay at 0. We'll go over the quiz answers on Wednesday when I see you guys again. Okay. Also on Wednesday, I'm going to lock all the homeworks up to this point. Okay, homeworks that are already due weeks ago, 6.1 through 6.4 is going to lock Wednesday at midnight. If you haven't done them yet, then you need to go and get them turned in. Okay, you guys have plenty of time to do that stuff. Also, if you have a missing grade for those, read what I have there. Some of you have missing grades because you either didn't complete the Nearpod activity. Jocelyn, that's you, I think. Or you didn't watch a class recording, or you didn't on 6.3 there were 2 parts. You only did one part but not the other one. So go back and check to make sure that you've done all that. And then there's no Zoom class on Thursday or Friday. For if you're going to be in person, then you will just be with a sub working on what I'm about to show you right now. Okay. So here's what I decided to do. Remember before the break we talked about how we were going to run out of time to do an extra major grade. And I wanted to kind of give you try to make something easy for you guys to come up and pull up your grades, so you don't just have 2 tests as major grades. A lot of you hate taking tests, right? So here's what I did. What you guys have in front of you and what you guys have can pull up at home is go in. I call this the test review project. It's not really a project. It's more of just like an elaborated, extended review. It's the same review that I would have given you we were just studying for the test, except I'm just going to make it a major grade. Completely open note. And so it's broken up into 3 parts. The first thing I want you guys to do before you do anything is to read the directions. Make sure you read the directions and what you're expected to do. I'm not going to read them out for you. They're all at the top there. Okay. There are 7 pages. And the first 4 pages, or first 3 pages, is the study guide. You can see that I've labeled the notes where you can find the answers to these in Schoology. Okay, so this is going to help you prepare for the test next week. You fill out the study guide, going through pages 1, 2, and 3. You guys can work together on these sections, but everybody's got to turn in their own review for the grade. Okay. Page 4 and 5 is practice problems. Again, you can use your notes. You can help each other out if you want to. I can help you out if you want me to. You can ask me through Zoom, or you can ask me here in class. And on Wednesday, if there's something that you don't understand, we'll go over the answers. All right. So make a note of it. We'll go over some answers on Wednesday's class. Page 6 and 7 is what's unique. Everybody switch to page 6 and 7 real quick if you have a packet in front of you. If you have a packet, page 6 and 7, it's your independent practice. Everybody's answers are going to be different for page 6 and 7. You're going to follow the directions there to pull up some data. You're going to record some data there on the chart on the right side, and you're going to make a box plot and a histogram. Okay, if you follow the directions and go back, look at your old assignments that you've done, you should know how to do this. If you need help doing it, I'll help you guys out. Okay, all you got to do is ask. The best part is you have the entire week to do this. There's not going to be anything new this week. Okay, so you have for 8A people, you have today's class period, Wednesday's class period, and Friday's class period. Plenty of time, and it's a major grade, and it's going to prepare you for the test. Sound good? I think so. Okay. For you guys at home, please, if you have access to a printer, the best thing to do is to print it out, obviously, for those graphs. If you don't have access to a printer, I can print it out for you if you want to come by the school. Just send me a message and let me know if you want to come by, and I'll have it printed out for you. Other than if you can't do either of those things, then you'll need to just clearly put it in your journal and label each question so that I can see the answers, because this is going to be a major grade, so maybe looking at it from everybody. But if you want me to print it out for you and you want to come by to school sometime, I can leave it in the front office, or you can check in and come to my room. Do you want to wait? Either way, I can print it out for you. Any questions? Okay, so first, check to see 6.1 through 6.4, you've got everything turned in. Check to make sure you've done your quiz, because that's due tonight. And then start working on the review for the test next week. Okay. Monday, Tuesday is a test. Tuesday for a test for you guys, and then Wednesday, Thursday we'll do something new that'll be due the following week. Move on. All right. Good. How about you guys at home? Any questions? Let's see who's here today. Jose, Mia. Anybody at home want me to print it